If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you.
Say that I'm good enough, call my thorough. Think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cat. Saying he home, but I know where he at.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's me again. If you're new here, my name is Gina. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking around. Anyway, I'm back from the vacation. I'm so sad it ended, but I'm also grateful I experienced that because that place is so beautiful. Like, I think that's the most beautiful place I've ever been to. It's so like extremely beautiful. Anyway, I want to do my eyebrows. When I like my eyebrows and apply my moisturizer, when I like nikienda to inje, like if I'm just running errands, I just do my eyebrows, that's it. So I always use this simple moisturizer. I think I have the most simple face. Is it skin routine? Am I so yeah, let me just apply this to my face real quick. So as I was saying, I'm back from the trip. I'm so excited. I'm so honored that I experienced that. It was short but worthy. I don't want to remove my cape because I have the wig lines and they look crazy as fuck. Anyway, I'm just back from the whole trip. As in, I wish to extend, but I have a lot of things going on. What kazi ilikuwa tu imeharibu, like I honestly had to come back. But anyway, so I of course I was sending my Monday videos and everything. Do I have a mirror? And he was like, oh, we need to go there again because we were planning. Shit, I don't have a mirror. Anyway, I'll just do this here. So we were planning on, no, I can't do this over here. So as I was saying, me and my man were planning to go to an international trip, but since he doesn't live in Kenya because he works abroad, like he fell in love with, he has not explored Kenya as much, so he fell in love with Naivasha Super Lodge and he wants us to go back there. Yeah, so anyway, mimi nataka tukwende international trip, but since he likes the Naivasha, like I always get my way, so maybe this time I'll try and be considerate, you know. Yeah, anyway, so we are planning to go back there. I'm not sure when, but very soon. And maybe God willing, like you too, we just go for both the international vacation and now again Naivasha Super Lodge, because I'm obsessed with that place. Like that place is so beautiful in real life. Like pictures don't do justice to that place. It's so beautiful, except for the wild animals, because I fear wild animals so much. I fear wild animals. Anyway, I am going to Gikomba. If you are one of my closest friends, you know. So I have to go to Gikomba, check on my business, run some errands. I'm also going to pick up Mtani to drop a whole oh my god, a whole gunia of packages. And it's currently 7, it's almost 7:30. I'm so late, but yeah, I don't want to explain much, but yeah. So I've done my eyebrows. This is what I do on a normal day. If I'm running errands, this is the only thing that I do, because I think like these days I'm not into makeup as I was before. I just love my skin the way it is. So yeah, that's that. So we are done. I'm just dressed like a homeless girl. I have this cape on, and I mean homeless not in a weird way, but I always tell my boyfriend, like, yo, I'm just going to Gikomba. I always have to dress to the part, because if you dress like you have money, you know. So it's currently, I'm done. It's currently, I'm just wearing a very simple outfit. I have leggings and now this oversized shirt and this cape, and then I'll wear a mask as I leave. Because I don't wear a mask because of anything else. It's always like you compare me to homa, and I'm very allergic to dust. So that rudi hapa kama na sneeze and everything. Anyway, I'm currently kwanza nasikia nipitie nimechelewa kwenda Gikomba because nataka kupitia pick up mtani. They open at 8:30. So nasikia nitoke kwa nyumba maybe 7:30. Just like kwenda kusimama hapo kwa mlango. You ni bore. Like I was saying, that shit bores me to the core. Like I don't like ati niko hapo tu nje na ngoja mpaka mlango. Like I hate that shit. So I just rather take my time, nifike tu pole pole, niingie tu kama niingie alafu nitoke. I think I'll just take a bike to Gikomba because it's 100 bob from there. Yeah, because max ni 50, nataka tu nichukue hiyo 100 nifike tu haraka and I come back home because I have a lot of work to do. Anyway, I think I'll take you guys with me because tumesema hizi vlogs from now on you're going to see this face more often, and I'm so glad a lot of you reached out and told me that pia walikuwa may notice but they were not sure of how to tell me. I'm so glad, and I keep growing as you guys tell me what I'm doing right and what I'm doing wrong. Anyway, see you guys, and yeah.
This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
So my guest room is completely clean. I've wiped everything. And yeah, so I'm not sure what I want to do with this room, but currently it's my dressing up area. I'm too busy to even start with this, but probably next month I'll start furnishing it to what I'll decide it will be. But for now, we just have this empty room over here. So I'm done cleaning this place. I want to now go to my bedroom, clean everything up, and then go to the kitchen. I head into the bedroom and it's such a mess, but everything is just clean because before I left, everything was cleaned and even my sheets are clean. So I'll just make the bed. And yeah, so this right here, this box right here, this is my favorite cat. This is like my favorite cat thing. Like she likes this box and I don't want to throw it away because that's what makes her happy. So niliaka my bed sheet up underneath, so it's very comfortable for her, and she likes playing on top like nearly kojuyaki. So that's her personal space. And yeah, so let's start cleaning this bedroom that is giving me headache currently.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that could take your spot, my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
Guys, my bedroom is clean. My bedroom is sparkling clean. My cat is very entitled because she thinks she's a queen. So I can't do the duvet while she's there. I'll have to wait for her to finish up whatever she's doing over there so that I can make my bed. I open my windows for fresh air. My carpet is clean. Everything is perfect as it should be. So now I'll just do the veranda and my sitting room because
Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from these beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you
So guys, I've finished cleaning everything. My kitchen is sparkling clean, and I have a very huge kitchen, by the way, which I'm so great. Like, that was the first thing that I liked about the house. It has a huge kitchen. For the pampas grass, I've kept them there because I've not yet found a perfect vase for them. I'm currently looking for huge vases, and I want to also add the pampas grass. Like I also need more stems for the vase to be full. But anyway, everything is clean. And even my living room, okay, my cat dropped my plant Oreo. So even my living room is completely cleaned. I'm sorry guys, my phone died when I was filming cleaning the dining area, but everything is sparkling clean. I need to fix the table, so I want to take a shower. And yeah, so I was actually washing these containers because I want to go for my monthly shopping, like I think the day after tomorrow. So everything is clean, my kettle, the snack thing. So yeah, done with taking a shower. I feel so fresh, my house is clean, and I want to prepare dinner, girls dinner. If you know, you know. I'm craving tea with bread, like bread with a lot of butter on it. So that's what I'm going to eat for dinner. And I'm also wearing these cute pajamas, like they're so cute. Anyway, that's what I want to do. Let me go grab some bread from the shop because Sina bread. As I said, I want to go do my monthly shopping a day after tomorrow because kesho. So like tomorrow's schedule is so tight. I cannot even spare some time to go to the mall, and I also don't like going to shop when I'm in a rush because I'll forget a lot of things. Anyway, let me prepare the tea with bread and we'll catch up later. And as you can see, I'm really trying to show my face here. Najaribu by the sana. So, and actually go back and like this video if you've not liked. I always tell people liking the video will push it for other people's recommendation for them to watch. So at kama huta comment, just like the video, please. Just like the video. So let's prepare our girls dinner. Guys, this is my girls dinner. I also got this cute, huge, it's very huge mug from Little More. And my slices of bread, please don't judge me, I'm so hungry. I've not eaten, like, it's the only thing that I ate was the hot dog the entire day. So I'm going to have this bread and my tea, and we'll call it a day. I'll catch up with you guys before I sleep, and yeah, so let's enjoy our girls dinner. Guys, I've done a whole unboxing on TikTok. I think I'll insert a video somewhere, but this is everything that I got. Like, my fridge was so empty, like I had to just do something about it. So I'll arrange my fridge and then I'll show you guys how, like, I've bought a lot of things, gosh, hey, but we thank God. Anyway, let me arrange and clean my fridge, and I think I'll show you that. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna quickly show you what I got from Carrefour because I want to do this quick. That's why the phone is facing on this side. Anyway, I got these kitchen towels. They were the cheapest and were economy. Yeah, I've already used that one. I also got maziwa mala because I like maziwa mala. And not even with ugali, like I just like drinking maziwa mala. I also got this go fruit. I already drank this, so, and these huge ones, I love the mango one. It's so good, like so good. And then I tested this. There was a promo, so I tested this and it was nice. So I just wanted to promote the girl on the promo. So yeah, I bought 2. And I also bought this lactose-free milk because I told you guys, like, I always have a running stomach when I drink like tea, like with regular milk. And then I also got this. Oh my god, they are disgusting. I also got these yogurts. Two of them. And then I also got this sweet corn. Like I'm craving corn lately. I don't know what that is all about, but yeah. And I also got this what's it called, mixed vegetables. And I also got this yogurt that comes in a pack. I think there's 6 if I'm not wrong. Yeah. And this I think this is the milk that fell and started spilling. Let me keep this aside. Oh. And this is my purse. Sorry. I also got this Ganya mask. Baking flour because I barely cook in this house and I love pancakes. And I got these sweets. I'm such a sweet tooth. Like I love very sugary things. And then I got spring rolls, beef, chicken, and beef samosas and chicken samosas. I also got this lemon juice that I want to try from Fruitville, and long life milk for my cats, and Reiko cubes, chili beef. I'm such a sweet tooth and I love coconut cookies. I also got this from, yeah, I also got this. I've once eaten this and it was nice. My cat is bothering me. Oreo, what are you doing? Anyway, let's continue. So I also got sweet chili sauce and hot and sweet. This is so nice. Like this is my favorite. And I got Santop, Ribena, and I also got this because I'm a sweet tooth, as I said, with the rest. My favorite chocolate of all times. Like nothing can beat this. Nothing. Period. I also got this. I tried them. There was a girl doing a promo and I promoted her. It's very nice. I love anything chocolate filled or has any chocolate flavor. Comes me in. Weetabix. These choco shells, they're very nice by the way. I like them. Also this and Indomie, if you know you know. I also got this what are they called, flavored milk. There are 6 in each pack. And then this is more juice. I love the mango. I love the mango flavor. I'm actually trying the orange for the first time, and it's not bad, but I still prefer the mango. I also got Afia, these 2 little ones because they're cute. And then more Santop, Afia. I got some water. Water, sorry. I've just remembered of something and I think it has triggered that. So the Santops and more sweets because I'm such a sweet tooth. Fit and I don't know how this is pronounced, but I bought this because they're cute. And this is like tonic water. And more Ribena, Afia and Santop. Gosh. I bought soda. sparkling water because I'm feeling bougie today. Some more water. Some yogurt, vanilla, and strawberry. I don't like either of the what is it called, flavors, but I don't mind them. So I also bought these. What are they called? That is CG. I just picked them. I don't know. So I got these. And I finally got this. I always say like I'm going to remember to buy it, but I always forget. Luckily it was at the cashier, so I just bought it. Some more water. More soda. I like Coke Zero. It tastes so good. Sprite, because it looks nice. I don't like Sprite with me. Cling film to wrap my sausages in like two or three. More water. And Mensa energy drink. I like this one specifically. I also bought this spaghetti or whatever they are called. I don't even know. And then I got ice cream and cat food for my baby. I also wanted to try this because she's never tried this, so ndajua too. And I also got some tissue papers and rice. I also got this Astonished kitchen cleaner because I really needed it, and I've tried it by the way, and it works so well, and it leaves everything spotless clean. It's very nice by the way. I would highly recommend. And I also got this assorted chicken pack, boneless breast. I also got sausages. This is chicken. I love sausages. Like I love sausages so much. Beef sausages. Like I would never, like hakuna siku naweza kula sausages niseme nimetosheka. Like I love sausages so much. And pork. Then I also got chicken fish fillets. I think they were 3. Yeah, chicken fillets and bacon. Yeah, so I think that's all. Like that's everything that I bought. Nothing major, but this will last me more than a month because I don't cook here and I'm only living alone. So yeah.
I've been thinking about one thing mostly. Come on over, reading if I'm asleep. Pick me up in my dreams. When you find me in my sleep while I'm dreaming, you come behind me, remind me while I am the one to play. All up on it, early in the morning. You deserve a man who will do it how you want it. All up on
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is a nice day after the shopping thing, and I was so tired. Like, I blacked out yesterday night. I feel so tired. I think because I stood for long, and also created those TikTok videos which took forever, and also editing. But anyway, I want to I'll show you how I arranged my fridge. I also want to pack my sausages into 2 or 3 because I don't want to be defrosting the whole package. And I want to also organize my dry cereals, not cereals, like flour, rice, that cereals, my morning my breakfast area. Like, I just want to finish up with this kitchen today because tomorrow is Monday and I know I'll be busy with work. So let's do that. And yeah, and also guys, like this, I swear, I wish I discovered this. This is the mother of kitchen, like the mother of kitchen cleaning. This right here, like this shit cleans every spot, every grease, and I even actually used it for cleaning my fridge and the results were spotless. Like, oh my god, like I wish I discovered this thing earlier. Like, this is a lifesaver. This, after telling me to now window cleaner for the fridge, this is the shit. Anyway, so let me show you guys how I arranged my fridge, and I hope in this vlog I've showed my face enough because I'm trying and I think I'm doing better. So leave a comment and let me know if I interacted with you guys so much on this vlog.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an episodes how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around.
So I want to defrost all the sausages so that I can pack them in 2 and 3s. So I'll just keep them here, finish up cleaning up the kitchen, and then I'll divide them later on.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. We pass it. Wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the times change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never shit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and vroom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you pay your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me this.
you please?